What's up? Hey, all. You're either here because you're a Trinity investor, subscribed to the newsletter, or I reached out and said, hey, just always keep me in loop with what you have going on. And I've got something big. This is exciting. I know it's here. Exciting. 3.35% for you, savings account. So I'm going to walk through that today. It is only offered through Black Mammoth as your advisor. Technically, other advisory firms can offer it too. But since you know us, we're the ones to offer it. But we'll walk through this whole thing. And at the end, you'll have an opportunity to schedule a time. Or if not, just shoot me an email saying, hey, I want this. And we'll send you the link to get you set up. So first things first, it's a high yield cash account. And it's fully FDIC insured. Okay. And it's fantastic. So 3.35%, it really follows what the Fed rate does. So Fed rate goes up by another 0.75. This is going to follow it, as well as on the way down. It doesn't do it percent for percent, but it's very, very close to that as well. Obviously, this applies to the first million in deposits. I want to hit upon that a lot. When we say that deposits are per account, it's per EIN number or social security number. So your business can do it, you can do it, your wife can do it, your kids can do it, you can do it jointly. There's a plethora of different ways to open as many accounts as you want in here as well. Biggest thing is it's not a CD, it does not lock up your cash. You have liquidity. It's about a day or two turnaround. ACH, you could wire it if you want it faster. But I found that ACH is perfectly fine for what you need it for. Purposes that this should be used for, anything that you have a savings account for, emergency savings, businesses. This is where majority of your savings should go for taxes, etc. Even a big chunk of your operating that you know, hey, I only pay quarterly. This would be a place to put it until that comes through. If you're saving for anything like a home, a car, or, a lot of what we do for business owners is, hey, don't put in your retirement plan right now, save it. We'll do it at the end of the year, or when markets are better, you can do it for that. If you're really crazy, you can do it for your operating account too. Just know that it takes about 2 days to get your money moved. But there's no account fees. There's no minimums, no transaction limits. It's all built in, 3.35% for you right there. Has a $25 million FDIC insurance, again, per tax ID. It's a big point to put. And we've actually been told if you have above that, we can even get up to 100 million. So very exciting with that. How does it work? It's one account that's connected to 900 plus banks. Obviously, that banks have to lend with the feds, etc. This allows them to do it internally. It's a little more expensive, but it's faster for those banks to be done. So very simple process. I send you a link. That link goes through just like you would set up any other account, attaches to your current bank account. You ACH money over or wire it over, and you're off and running that day. Stonecastle down here, right here, is who we're partnered with in this program. They've been around for a very long time. They've actually done this with institutions for a very long time, but now they've released it to advisors. Very important because obviously advisors, we deal with our clients' money. And as we plan for whatever situation's coming out, they said this is the best route for building people's wealth. And I agree, selfishly. And so we're able to do that. Again, super fast process, 5 minutes. You can even attach it to a brokerage account too, right? So we use Schwab. If we had a bunch of assets in Schwab, we could attach this and send it off, right? Instead of having cash sitting in Schwab, we could have cash sitting here when we needed to deploy, ACH it right over, okay? Again, doesn't take very long, 24/7 access, online account, and obviously you get 1099 and everything. So opportunities there for you. Let us know. Again, email us or reach out and we can set up time to go through it. Obviously, you do have to be a client with Black Mammoth, but we have an agreement designed specifically for this account only. That's just compliance and attorneys telling me to do that, but we have to. So you have access to this through us. Doesn't matter if you do anything else with us. This should be done for you. It's 3.35%. I'm going to reiterate that. I'm going to scroll up again. It is 3.35% currently. Feds keep raising it. We keep going. All right. So have a good night. Needed to get this out tonight because we just launched it. So please put your cash where you can earn 3.35%. Have a good night.